Today we're talking about how to highlight text in a Google Doc. So this is a simple process. All you need to do is left click and drag your mouse over any text you want highlighted. Then you move to the menu up here and select the highlighter tool. Click it and you can choose from any of the colors here or even a custom color if you so desire. I like the standard highlighter tones that are up here at the top. They're generally easier to see and work more like a physical highlighter on a piece of paper. Sometimes it can be beneficial, especially if you're a teacher or a student who has multiple people working on one document, people at work. You might want to have different people highlighting things in different colors. You may want to highlight to show different things. So some of the colors look a little better than others. Yellow is clearly very easy to read. The pink's a little dark there. So I might redo that, highlight it again, come back, choose a different color. But generally, I like to stick with standard highlighting tones. It does make it easier to read. And anything you want to highlight, you just left click, drag, oops, left click, drag, and then release your click. Choose the highlighter button and choose your color. That easy.